Maintaining your legacy test equipment is essential to keep your systems running smoothly and accurately. Whether you're working with National Instruments PXI systems or other legacy devices, proper care and maintenance can extend their lifespan and ensure reliable performance. Let's explore the best practices to keep your equipment in top shape. Routine inspections are essential to identify wear, damage, debris, or corrosion on connectors and ports. Address any issues immediately to avoid performance degradation. For example, bent connectors can often be repaired with a flathead screwdriver to carefully realign them. Proper cable management is equally important. Use cable ties and organized routing to prevent tangling or excessive bending, which can cause damage over time. Keeping your parts clean and dust-free is also one of the most important factors in sustaining your legacy equipment. Dust buildup can restrict airflow, causing components to overheat, so you'll want to clean or replace filters to keep the fans operating efficiently and quietly. As you can see here, we use compressed air to clean the filters for this PXI1044. As for exteriors, wipe down the surfaces with a microfiber cloth. For screens, use anti-static cleaners to prevent scratches and static buildup, and always avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the equipment. If your boards or cards are collecting dust and grime, you can use isopropyl alcohol to clean the board. Use a soft bristle toothbrush to remove dirt in hard-to-reach areas around chips and connectors. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. Next, let's talk about calibration. Keeping your equipment calibrated ensures accurate measurements and prevents costly errors. Follow the manufacturer's recommended schedule, typically every 1 to 2 years, and choose a NIST accredited service provider for traceable calibration. Some devices even support self-calibration to fine-tune accuracy between professional calibrations. Maintain a clean and controlled workspace. Dust, static electricity, and environmental conditions can all impact equipment performance. Air purifiers are helpful in minimizing airborne particles, and it's important to maintain a relative humidity level of 20 to 60%. Too much humidity can cause corrosion, while too little can lead to static electricity buildup. You can also use electrostatic discharge mats and grounded tables to prevent static damage to sensitive circuits. When using equipment, be sure to avoid blocking vents and try to maintain a minimum clearance of 4 inches around air intakes and exhausts. While in use, be sure to power off equipment properly before connecting or disconnecting cables and parts to avoid electrical damage. Ensure the device operates within its specified input and output voltage ranges to prevent damage. Also, be sure to always use manufacturer-recommended accessories such as power supplies to avoid compatibility issues. Always store your test equipment in a clean, dry, and temperature-controlled environment. Extreme temperatures and humidity can damage internal components, so aim for a storage area with consistent conditions. NI equipment typically operates within 0 to 50 degrees Celsius or 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and should be stored within a broader range specified in the device's manual. And don't forget to use protective covers to keep out dust and debris when the equipment is not in use. Here at Apex Waves, we store our parts in anti-static bubble bags to safeguard against electrical interference while on our shelves. Finally, keep a detailed maintenance log. Record calibration dates, cleaning schedules, and any repairs or upgrades. This helps track the history of each device and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Refer to NI's specific manuals for maintenance instructions unique to each device, which can be found on the Apex Waves website under each part page. By following these best practices, you can extend the life of your legacy test equipment, reduce downtime, and ensure accurate results. We hope you found this helpful. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.